Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to present you how you can maintenance your spinning wheel or your fishing reel yearly. I do this maintenance every season of fishing. So we have here a spinning wheel from Abu Garcia. I fish it with it all the year and now I want to lube it. I buy a special oil for this wheel. This oil is from Nigrin, is by Care, but it's very good also for lube all the bearings of this. And now we will start. What we must to do, we must to dismantle all the elements. This seems to be in a good condition. We don't see any dust here. And here also we can see it's pretty clean. It's working good. Any case, if you find dirty on these elements, you must to clean it in the first. All the mobile parts must to be lubricated. Look, I don't see with my eyes any dirt, but seems here exists something. So, let's start. I put some oil here. We spin it. The oil must to enter in these bearings. Seems to be good, but I put a drop of oil here also. You can clean the extra oil. You hear? Sounds good. We put this back. But also I forget to put these pieces. I'm sorry. We put back the brake. It's good. I will lubricate this also, few drops on this side and a few drops on this side also. We put some paper to suction the extra oil. Pam 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 pam. We put this back also. We make some spins to lubricate all the elements. Look how it works. Look how it works. It's satisfying. Good. Now this side is lubricated. This axe is lubricated. And we have here and also other two bearings, one here and one here. Here we put some oil. Here also. Make 10 times this movement, because the oil must to enter in all small places. Clean the exceed oil. We will take another clean kitchen paper and clean good all the rig. Here we have also a movement, and I put a drop of oil here and here. And we make this movement because the oil must enter in all small places. Off, sorry. We clean it very good. You can hear nothing. Look how smooth it's working. So, with this early maintenance, you must in every single year before you go into fish. Your fishing will work for how many years you live. With this maintenance, you will keep it like new one, with just a few drops of oil. For example, if you see this procedure takes 5 minutes, but you can extend the life of this equipment with many fishing sessions. We clean it very well. And keep in mind, you must change wire, from my opinion, every 2 years. Because it's plastic, and how you know, the sun with the plastic is not friend. But this is my video for today. I want to share with you my experience and keep your fishing equipment in well condition for big fishes. Bye bye.